What is up, guys? Chris Barter first. Thinking I'm on Snapchat, but no, I'm not. I'm on YouTube. What is up, guys? Chris Barter first here. We are finally back in Stormworks, build and rescue, and oh boy, do I have an absolute epic ship for you guys today. Now, this is I don't know the name of this ship, but all I know is this is an epic ship by GB Danny. And if you don't know who GB Danny is, he is an epic creator here in Stormworks. He makes epic ships, he makes epic creations here in Stormworks. It's awesome. Now, it is a little laggy because we're here at the creative dock, and look at this thing. This thing is absolutely epic. Now, there is an epic startup procedure. So yeah, we're going to be going down to the engine room and getting everything fired up. And yes, we are playing in survival mode once again, because I think this is sinking ship survival. This is an awesome looking ship. I really like this ship a lot. So I gotta figure my way down to the engine room, and there's probably a really awesome little feature down there. Yep. So here is the engine room. A very opened engine room. So yeah, there is a lot of epic things down here. We got a medium generator down here. Light boiler. Then you get the steam. Then you get Then you get the No way. Am I really seeing this right now? Guys, they actually have in this ship, there's some ships that have this. This ship actually has a moving engine that actually has engine features and stuff. That is awesome, dude. I like that a whole lot. By the way, this is not actual fire. This is a paintable indicator. Yeah, but I like that a whole lot. Now let's get out of here and make sure we're not heading towards any islands. We're moving. And the weather is supposed to be very, very nasty today. So, yeah. Oh yeah, we're moving. We are definitely moving. Get out to sea a little bit. I'll give you a tour. Here's the bridge, or wheelhouse. I think on these older ships they're called wheelhouses, not bridges. This is one epic ship. Man, it's fast too. Yeah, I would say that this is an ocean liner. Definitely an ocean liner. Man, I just love them. I just like them. I just love them. I just like the telegraphs. epic. Us turning capabilities on this. Turns really well. Turns really nice. Really nice turning ability. This is really an epic ship. Really like the. What are the engines look at? Aha! Here are your engines. You're in the boilers. It's an epic. Lags, but we're gonna keep moving here and calm right now. %. Wind. I told you guys it would be a little nasty out here today. Hold on, do I have vision film? Reflection. I had all this disabled. I had all this disabled. Motion blur, we're gonna have that disabled. Bloom. There we go. Yeah, it's a little nasty out here today. This game is so cool. Very cool ship. Very cool ship. So we've been down to the engine room. Let's go on a little visual tour. And yes, we have lifeboats, so that will be a mean of escape for us, is the lifeboats. It's in here. Yeah, that's the engine room. Alright. So the engine room. Daemon. What is that? Alright, so you have a Daemon down here, or whatever that said. Oh, this is your crew quarters, I'm guessing. Crew quarters? Yeah, crew quarters. Guessing that's your crew quarters right there. Yeah. These are really nice cabins. Man, I like them. I like these cabins. They're really nice. We have back here. We have more cabins. Cabin 6. Cabin 7. We got 7 cabins. Oh yeah, this one's the nicest one out of them all. Yeah, I like this. I like this a whole lot. Alright, so we are back on deck here. And what do we have? A saloon. Ooh. So you got a little bar in here. You got a nice little bar in here, you know? Yeah, for people who get drunk, you know? Nah. This is a child-friendly cat channel. Yeah, but it's a little bar for people to hang out, you know? And, it's just a very nice little ocean liner. is that? Solid rocket. I actually made a rescue ship with these. I actually made a rescue ship with some of these paintable signs. So yeah, I'm guessing that's a skylight looking down inside the engine room. And here is your lifeboat system. Motor on, left, right. Very nice little lifeboat. Not sure where your motor is, but okay. Yeah, we're back at the bridge. We are back at the bridge. I like these ropes too. They're really cool. So yeah, you got these ropes. It's a really epic ship. Close the door. Hold on. My settings are getting messed up. Vehicle foam, ocean foam, everything's enabled. By the way, these are handmade rudders. These are not rudders in the game. They are handmade rudders. I actually did another modification to my tanker, and what I did was I added a hose to it, so you can actually refuel other ships. That's another thing. How do you fuel this thing up? Oh, I missed something. Oh, I missed something. We're gonna go ahead and check that out real quick. I want to get everything on the ship. Like I said, GB Danny is a really awesome ship builder and makes awesome creations here in Stormworks. Corsa Castle. Crew only. Alright, crew only. Engineering crew. So there's their cabin, and I'm guessing this is like a little sink. Oh. And I'm guessing this is a toilet or something like that. This thing right here. Kind of gross. Sit lay right next to the toilet, but hey, this is what crew get. This is what the crew gets. They don't get really fancy cabins because they're workers. This is deck crew. Same thing. This is the crew that works on the decks. So yeah, that's what they get. And down here is the mess hall, or the mess hall. They call it mess halls, like a dining room or cafeteria. Here on a ship, they call it a mess hall. So that's what this is. This is a mess hall, I'm guessing. Chain locker. What is this? Is this coal? Is this coal? Is this where they keep their coal at? Alright, a little weird. Now you got some lockers here. That is a fluid port. really nice lockers that they put in here. That is an awesome design. And a little porthole there. So yeah, and we're in the 4-piece storage. We're gonna go down here real quick. Oh boy, if this gets flooded, this is not gonna be good if this gets flooded. When it starts getting down, this will flood really fast. So here's your cargo hold. The cargo hold for the ship. Wait, I'm getting water effects. And we also got heaters too. Come on, stupid thing. I don't like these hatches, how they work sometimes. Alright, we are getting out to sea here. Ship is not too... This is where you fuel the ship. Speaking of fuel, how much fuel do we have? Small electric motor. We have knots. This is a steam power ship, so. But in Stormworks, we don't have steam. They just make them look like steam ships. So. And by the way, they still do have steamships these days. Well, there's your fuel tank, I'm guessing. Well, there's your fuel tank, I'm guessing. Do they have one on this side? Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's a fuel tank. All right, well, got plenty of fuel in there. Getting really far out now. Couple islands up here. Here's your oil rig. Yeah. Guessing that's the harbor right there, and there's your wind field. Yeah, all your main islands and stuff. This is an epic ship, though. I really like this one. And it's not too small either, it's pretty big. It's a really nice little steamer ship. Really nice steamer. And yeah, there's your engines. They're inside the boiler. That's probably a good area, a good place to have your engines, you know. This thing's pretty dang fast too. We're kind of booking it right now. Yeah, that's pretty fast for a ship. Alright, we're gonna start to have some pretty big. We're gonna start to make the weather pretty nasty out here. Like I said, it was supposed to get nasty. I said it was supposed to get nasty out here. And why not? We'll have fog as well. Can't see anything, guys. I told you it was supposed to get really nasty out here. I'm passing by an island. Droopy Daddy did a great job on this ship. He did a fantastic job on this craft. Really awesome looking craft. The engines are having a bit of an issue. We're pretty good on lights. This thing's fairly lit up. I don't think any of these ships were all that bright. Not like the modern ships. These ships were not lit up that well. I mean, they were lit up well, but they were not bright. They were not bright like these newer modern ships these days. My question is, could you use this in a mission? Yes, absolutely. You could use this in a mission. You could absolutely use this in a mission. For transporting missions, I think that would be all this is used for, and maybe a rescue mission. Maybe a rescue mission too, and definitely not a fire mission because there's no water cats on here. Rescue mission and transport mission. I think this would be really useful for. I mean, Jiki Danny makes all his ships for missions. That make ships that are really useful for missions. So yeah, that's really good. But yeah, you could definitely use this for missions. There's no way about it. You could definitely use this for a mission, for sure. And by the way, we're doing another Stormworks week because school is next week, and yeah, why not finish the summer out with a bit of the sinking ship survival. She's handling it like a champ. coconut. There are some gadgets behind us. And what do we have here? GPS! Awesome! So we actually have map table, we have GPS autopilot. No, I didn't want to turn this way. GPS autopilot, so you can go ahead and do something. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set a waypoint. I'm gonna go ahead and set a waypoint. If you don't like driving, I would definitely put in a GPS autopilot. Jeez, I'm getting rocked around pretty hard. These waves are pretty rough right now. Look at that. Alright, so GPS autopilot. Set waypoint. .7 kilograms. Alright, we're gonna set GPS. Set GPS waypoint. Turning. GPS autopilot is on. So we should be turning towards that waypoint at the moment. There are no islands in sight. I can't even see an island. I can hardly hear that foghorn. You can hardly hear that foghorn. Well, there's your clutch right there. How full is our fuel tank? Yeah. We're getting out there. Getting out there quite a ways now. Make sure we're not taking on any water here. And I believe you can sink this bad boy in. I believe you can sink this bad boy. If I can find a scuttlebutt. Might be using a scuttle feature that provided for us. I don't know where our scuttle feature is. It did say that this thing is sinkable, and we might be using an island to sink this thing. There's your air intakes right there. That's what they are. If you're wondering what them candy cane shaped things are, that's your air intakes. Jeez, this thing is really nice. Port anchor. Yeah, we got working anchors on this thing too. Huh. Cool. That's really cool. Like I said, this is a really cool ship. And that's your refueling port right there. And yeah, this is Arcalachi, I think this thing is called. Oh, GB Danny. Trust me. I wonder if our sinking features down in the engine room. That's what I'm about to find out. If not, we'll have to go and use, if not, we'll have to use, I know there's something back here. Jeez, this is a cool looking ship. Well, geez, I can't even move right now. We're getting rocked really hard right now. I think we're going to go ahead and don't want to get stuck in that. Probably that's really hot. So yeah. This coal store. Yeah, this is your, I'm guessing this is your fuel tank right here. Yeah, this is your fuel right here. Steam level. I'm guessing that's your RPMs. Making everything look like a, oh yeah, we got a lot more to do. We got a lot to go. I don't see a scuttle feature though. It did say this was sinkable. So yeah, I'm guessing right there's your exhaust. Everything's looking down here in the engine room, so everything's looking pretty toasty down here. It's really warm down here, so yeah. Because of course it's gonna be warm down here. The boilers. I can't even think rocks so big. I might have to turn off the waves for just a minute. Alright. And can I grab the ladder now? Alright, so we are back on deck and turn the waves back on. That was insane. Oh boy. How nasty is it getting out here? Oh god dang. Yeah, it's pretty yeah. Close the door. Won't take long. Like I said, it's getting absolutely nasty out here. Oh, them waves are getting big. We're getting deeper, guys. We're getting deeper out here. There we go. Yep. That's your fuel right there. Sure. Edge. Yeah, oh, they're starting to wash over deck. Taking on some water here. I'm gonna turn the fog off. Water up. Turn the fog off. Really nasty. Those are cool little anchors. And yes, guys, they do work. Not even an island in sight. They are arrows. I don't see islands, guys. I don't see islands. I might leave some doors open, honestly. I think that's the only way this thing could sink right now. Oh, dude, I did leave a door open. I did leave a door open. Oh, dude, it's flooding. It's flooding. Alright, that's good. That's good. That's a good sign. Means this thing's taking on water. No. Did I just close that? I just closed that. No, I didn't want to close that. Open all the doors. I want to make sure this thing floods. Because this video is getting on too long, guys, now. Something's gotta make this thing flood. Got the saloon. Oh, it's hard to walk on deck right now. You got a galley. Take you on the deck, down to the deck house. Stick you on the deck house. Water's starting to pour in. So hopefully, sooner or later, we will be taking on a lot of water. Something's gotta make this thing sink. Something's gotta. Ugh. I don't know if I can get past that. Oh yeah, we could. We got. Oh, is this thing capsizing? It felt like this thing was capsizing for a second. And there's one more door I want to get. I want to get that. Make sure all the doors are open. Make sure. Something's gotta take this thing. Nothing else is going to. Chain locker. There's your pole right there. Oh god. Oh, it's getting hard to walk. It's time to get up the main deck. Next deck. This thing is gonna be taking on some water. Take a look down here. This thing's gotta be taking water. Oh yeah, it's taking on water. I can already see it down there. There's another ship I wanted to check out for this video. We'll do that tomorrow. It'll be a lot more. I'm sure it fits. Whoa! It's been going on for a while now. I think it's going on a little too long now. Yeah, it's starting to take on water. Yeah, it's flooded. There are no islands in sight right now. Nothing. That was almost a capsize. Oh, it's starting to fill. Blow an engine. We're taking on water everywhere now. That side of the hole is taking on some water. I don't see them. Holy man, that's a big wave. Holy man, that's a big wave. I have a funny feeling she might be going down here, folks, guys. Because look how high the water is to that to the deck now. Yeah, I think we are taking on a little bit of taking on a lot of water here. Yeah, I think she's sinking, guys. I think she's definitely sinking. I definitely think this thing is taking on a bit of water. We're really deep, guys. We're really deep. This thing's taking on a buttload of water. side is almost filled. Oh yeah, she's sinking. She's starting to sink, guys. She is starting to sink. Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah. This thing is starting to sink everywhere now, guys. Everywhere. Oh god, yeah, this thing's sinking. This thing's going down. This thing is going down to the bottom of the ocean very soon, guys. This thing is starting to take on a lot of water now. Oh, yeah, this thing's taking on a lot of water. Yeah, the boreholes are under the water now, and oh yeah, she's sinking. She's sinking. Oh, she might be capsized. Guys! Yeah. Guys, I think you can... Oh! The electricity went out, guys! The electricity went out! Guys, the electricity went out! Guys, look! All the lights went out! All the lights went out! Guys, it's time to get out of here. It's time to go. It is time to go. It's time to go! Hold on, we need to go to photo mode. We need to go into photo mode. Guys, she went so quick. She went so quick. She went so quick. Holy man. Guys, that's a goner. She went so quick. That is insane. Well, there's your sink, guys. There's your sinking ship. No, we did not survive that. That went down quick. Like, I mean, she went down so fast. She went down so freaking quick. Guys, well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode of, Stormworks Build and Rescue episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, that was insane. I can't believe how quick that ship went down. How far did we make it out? Oh yeah, we made it out quite a ways. The engines just shut off and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and we will see you guys next time on Stormworks. Thank you. Peace out, guys.